How are governments regulating 3D printed guns? Imagine a world where anyone can create a firearm in the comfort of their own home, using just a computer and a 3D printer. This scenario has raised significant concerns among lawmakers and citizens alike. As technology advances, the ability to manufacture weapons has become more accessible, prompting governments to take action. In the United States, the regulation of 3D printed guns is primarily governed by federal laws, including the Gun Control Act of 1968 and the Undetectable Firearms Act. These laws requiring that firearms contain a certain amount of metal to be detectable by metal detectors. In response to the rise of 3D printed firearms, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives has issued guidelines clarifying that individuals must still comply with existing laws when creating firearms, including the requirement to serialize the guns. Some states have taken additional measures to address the unique challenges posed by 3D printed guns. For instance, California has enacted laws that specifically prohibit the manufacture, sale, or possession of untraceable firearms, which includes those made with 3D printers. Other states, such as New Jersey and Washington, have also introduced legislation aimed at regulating the distribution of blueprints for 3D printed guns, making it illegal to share designs that could be used to create firearms. Internationally, countries like Australia and Canada have implemented strict regulations regarding 3D printed firearms. In Australia, the law requires that any firearm, including those made using 3D printing technology, must be registered and comply with safety standards. Similarly, Canada has classified 3D printed guns as firearms, subjecting them to the same regulations as traditional weapons. As technology continues to evolve, the challenge for governments remains: how to balance the rights of individuals to create and innovate with the need to ensure public safety. The ongoing debate around 3D printed guns highlights the complexities of regulating emerging technologies in a rapidly changing world.